Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to draw an arc with a specific radius and length in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. To create an arc with an exact radius and length in Autocad, we're going to use a combination of the circle and lengthen commands. This method is really useful when you need accurate curve geometry for technical drawings, architectural layouts, or engineering projects. First, start by creating a circle. Type circle into the command line and press enter. Then select a center point and enter your desired radius. For this example, we'll use a radius of 50 units, but you can use any value depending on your project. Once the circle is created, we need to turn it into an arc with a controlled length. To do this, draw a line through the center of the circle so it splits the circle into two halves. The direction of the line doesn't matter too much as long as it cuts through the center point. Now delete the half of the circle you don't need. This leaves you with a semicircle that we can modify into the exact arc length we want. Next, type lengthen into the command line and press enter. Autocad will ask how you want to modify the object. Type T for total and press enter again. This tells Autocad that you want to define the total length of the arc. Now type the arc length you want. In this example, we'll enter 100 units. After entering the value, click on the arc. Autocad will automatically adjust the arc so its total length matches the value you entered while maintaining the original radius. One useful tip is to click on the side of the arc you want to keep. This gives you better control over the final shape and direction of the curve. And just like that, you've successfully created an arc with both a precise radius and a precise length. This is a simple but powerful technique that can save a lot of time when working on detailed CAD drawings. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.